Hi everyone, it's Ani from All That Life Stuff, and today we are talking about subscriptions. So this is my pile of monthly subscriptions. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in total. I'm going to go through each one with you and show you how wonderful they are. Okay, so we're going to start with the Ipsy Glambag. So the Ipsy Glambag is $10, and I'm just telling you right now, it is some of the best money I spend each month. So for $10, they send you this beautiful little pouch. This pouch is super fun. When you first get them, you're like, whoa, this pouch is so cool. It comes with a little Ipsy on the side, and it's such a good bargain. After about 4 or 5 months of this subscription, you're gonna be like, what am I doing with all of these bags? They are overrunning me, but they're good quality. And some of them are super fun. I use one of them as my makeup bag. So comes in this bag, and then it comes with a handful of products. So sometimes you're going to get small sizes, like little sample sizes, and sometimes you're going to get a full-sized product. When they send nail polish, which is my favorite, they will send a full bottle, and there's something just so exciting about getting a full bottle of nail polish amongst other things, because you can spend easily $10 or more on just one. So the fact that you're getting that plus a bunch of other stuff is just very exciting. So here's the thing, right? I am not a makeup person, right? I buy my makeup at CVS or Target. Normally it's just an eyeliner, some sort of concealer, and then, you know, some other maybe fun little things, but I don't do things like primer or highlighting. I don't know how to do it, so I don't do it. But I do like getting some of this stuff because it kind of, it pushes me to try things that I wouldn't have tried before. So in this particular box we have, or in this bag, we have a lip balm. And the fun thing with Ipsy is they do a lot of organic and vegan products, which I really like. This is a blush, and it's a full-size blush. Again, so like if you're spending $10 on blush in the store, like just get the bag and then you'll get it with a bunch of other stuff too, which is just really cool. And then like blush I'll never buy in the store because I get it in every, you know, maybe every couple months, and I'm just not gonna go through that much blush. So I don't ever have to buy this in the store. Same thing goes for eyeliner. I never buy eyeliner in the store. After signing up for this, and I've had it for a little over a year now, maybe 2, I never buy it in the store because it comes often enough that by the time I finish one, I'm ready with another. And this is a full-sized one, right? So some of them are smaller, but some of them are the full size, okay? This is a highlighter and all-over illuminator. So this is an example of something that I would just not buy for myself, mostly because I don't know what a highlighter and all-over illuminator is. I don't know what that is. I'm guessing it lights, highlights your skin, but either way. I'm sure I can give this to someone who does know what it is and knows how to use it. This is an eyeshadow. So all in all, I mean, I'm going to use like 4 out of 5 products in here, and this was $10, right? So for me, this is just a really cool bargain, and it just introduces me to products that I just would not have otherwise known about, which is something I think is really cool too. Okay, so that is Ipsy Glambag. The next one is Birchbox. So Birchbox is similar to Ipsy in that it does have some cosmetics and things like that. Sometimes with the Birchbox, you're going to see a little bit more of the product side of things. So things like creams and exfoliators and hair products and things like that. There was a time when I was getting Birchbox and I canceled it because it was just too much product, like things I just wasn't using. But then I started going through samples, and I found an exfoliator I really liked, and a lotion I really liked, and then a mask I really liked. And when I saw where I got them from so I could buy the full size, I saw that it came from Birchbox. So I figured it's $10 a month, and it's introducing me to some of these really cool products that I just didn't know existed and probably would never know existed. So for me, it was worth it to get back onto it and then find some, I found some really good stuff from it. So this one has, let's see, it says Miracle Leave-In Products. So this is hair care. This is a lotion. This is a primer. So this is one of these things that I would kind of like put it over here because I don't know what to do with a primer, but maybe someday I will. I don't know. So add it to your clean, dry skin liberally, 15 minutes before sun exposure. So there you go. Get me ready for the summer. Mascara. So this is something I haven't bought in over a year as well because I get it in one of these 2 boxes. I'll get mascara. So I have not bought it in forever. And then again, this is my favorite part of this box. It's the fragrance. I love getting fragrance. There's 2 that I've gotten through this box that I've absolutely loved. I haven't bought them yet because they're each $100 a bottle. So I just haven't brought myself to do it, but I love them so much. So knowing that they exist, I don't know, it's super fun. And then also one of them actually inspired me to try to make it myself. So it's just this really cool stuff that I really would just not have known about if not for these boxes. So that is Birchbox. Okay, so next up are my stickers. Okay, so my stickers, I love these. These make me so happy when they come. I never know what to expect, and they're always super, super fun. So we'll start with this one. This is called Stickii, Stickii. And this one is pretty standard. So each month it's going to come in an envelope that looks like this. On the top, it'll have a clip and kind of, it feels like a patch, but it's a sticker. It'll have these little corners to kind of put at the bottom of your spread. It'll always come with a Post-it, like a Post-it paper, some loose stickers, and then some sticker sheets. So to start with the sticker sheets, like how great is that? Right? It's such an awesome mix. It's just, it's kind of random, but there's kind of a cohesive theme. I think this one is actually left over from last month because last month was I don't have it on here. Last month was, I actually do have it. Was kind of an ocean type theme. So I have a feeling that was left over from last month and I'm okay with that. So, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sticker sheets. And again, this is $10. Okay, so just to show you. And also that is like, there's something so wonderful about this. I don't know what to say. Okay, so that's the sticker sheets. Again, you get this, and it's regular Post-it note paper. But this is super cute, right? I mean, that goes with the theme. It's just, I love it. Okay, this is that kind of, it looks like a patch. I thought it was a patch for the longest time, but it actually is a sticker. And then a clip that you can put on your journal. Again, these are like the corner ones, so you just put it, it's like that. So you put it right at the corner. And then these loose stickers, which always end up being wonderful. I don't know. I just love them. I love the style. They're always kind of like this watercolor type style to it. And this is just, I mean, I do happy planner. So this kind of thing is just really great for a spread, like 1 week of just like this really nice looking, you know, I don't know. I love it. I just think it's such a great theme. And I just think they're so wonderful. I never know what to expect. And it's just, I mean, how exciting is that? Just to like get this sticker collection, you don't know what it is, and then you open it and it's just amazing, right? Like there's nothing better than that. And then the next one is Pipsticks. So Pipsticks is super fun because it is bonkers. Like it's the most eclectic, random bunch of stickers that you will ever get, if you can ever get it open, you'll ever get in one sitting. Okay, so I'll show you what I mean. First of all, this is a sticker. This big monstrosity is a big, thick sticker, which I think that is absolutely hilarious. And the collection here is deer, sloths. These are sayings. These are coffee cups, flowers, kind of like watercolor looking flowers. And then these retro electronics. I mean, like what kind of, I don't see a common thread here. I mean, maybe brown. No, not even brown. Brown is not a common thread. There's no brown here. I mean, I love that. How amazing is that you just open up this package and it's just like the most mishmashed collection, but they're great. I mean, they're all wonderful. I love these. You know, these are the kind of stickers that I want to use, but I honestly don't know where I would get them. And then if there's some, like for instance, this, I don't love this. I don't think I'll be using this, but I'll give it to my kids. And they love it. They don't care what's on a sticker, you know, and these are super cute. I don't know if I would come up with a theme that was deer themed for my planner or anything. But like I said, if I have an extra sheet, and especially this, I'm going to give this to my son. He's going to lose it because it's such a great sticker. Like, where are you even going to put this? I love it. I just love it. I think it's so much fun. Honestly, it's delightful. It's just a delightful subscription box that is just so much fun. And then last but not least is the Boho Berry Box. So I watch the unboxing of this box every single month. And it wasn't until December that I finally broke down and got it because I loved it. And I'll show you what I loved about it. So when you open it, and this is actually a lot more expensive than my other boxes. So everything else is $10 each. This one with shipping ended up being $28, which is a little bit more, but I do think it's worth it. So when the box first started, I was not really sold on it, but as I've seen it progress and as it's gotten better and better, I really do think the value is there. So when you open this one up, they're all going to be they're going to be set up similarly, where they'll have this. This will just tell you what's in it, what each of the things are. They always come with some sort of theme for it. So normally, and this is just the ones that I've seen, they all come with kind of like a vinyl sticker, which is just super cute. They're all hand lettered by Kara at Boho Berry, which is just really great. I love her style. And then this is kind of the standard set where it comes with a tracker and some of these to-dos and habit trackers and things like that. These come in every box, and starting next month, it's going to be more themed, whereas this is kind of boilerplate. So if you look at December, like January through December, they all look very similar to this, but starting next year, they're going to have more of a theme, which I'm super excited about. She'll normally letter some quotes, and then this one is pretty cool. It's the 2018 year-end review, which I'm actually really excited about. I was just talking about doing this, but now I can just use it as a sticker, and that's just wonderful. So she'll normally send a Tombow dual brush. This is yellow, but when she talked about it, she said gold. And then these are just some clips similar to, where was this other one I had? This one. So these are just kind of cute little metal planner clips. Comes with a pencil. She doesn't do this in every box, but a lot of boxes will have a custom washi. Actually, it might be in every box now that I think about it. This custom washi, and I love this one. This is like so beautiful. I can't wait to use it. I think this is what sold me on the box, honestly, because I love it so much. And then she'll put in kind of like a little tchotchke type thing. Last month it was a timer. This month it's a little moon bowl where you could put your little paper clips and things like that. So this is the December box. All this stuff was November, so I'm pretty excited. I still have all of this stuff still coming to me in December. And I'll do another one as they come. This was just kind of my introduction to it, just to show you the level of subscription that I'm at right now. But as they start coming in the next couple months and stuff like that, I'm actually just going to do, I'll probably just do them together. Like I'll do a sticker video, and then I'll do a health and beauty video, and then I'll do a Boho Berry Box video. So if you are interested in any of these subscriptions, there's the Ipsy Glambag and the Birchbox. There is the Pipsticks and Stickii. Get out of there. And then there is the Boho Berry Box. If you're interested in any of these, I put all the links below. You can go ahead and click on those. And I also have a write-up about all of these on my blog, so you can check those as well, allthatlifestuff.com. And if you've liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more from allthatlifestuff.com, you can go ahead and subscribe. Thanks so much for joining. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.